Omanju muliro Ndizi byandonsi asoberete no gosemerikwana ni gwandete gutwara weekendi yawe ire runandengia ananasi bali bahinde kanisa litukura rero baruro gosimura injira kwenda chinka cheno nigo togotsemerina ni mwendete gutwara litiko liligia ekero litiko lia Jumamosi tariki 15 muteino yokano mu mwaka 2023 abande bandete kwerigen guchikwenda semi salitiko liangyo niko cyaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere cyabano baso karongo kwariga SMS mangana maya eliuma yanga kyagende gwatkeme na isko ya Gusii no kuboli kwane na ikaranso ike gosire ligi bagali ya uli abenora amanyana na lerendete watkeme na isko ya Gusii abune chingongonye chenze kurwasense meli ya moja subo songo amo na ilianyi go kabamo nanje oiko mwelio ndikerondo chumurai bwense Dr. William to alase county ya Narok ekerandete ko gendera nimerobeli yo kwigura magendera ase county yo asoma konyoye rigatika shawa alase county yi ya Nyandarua ekero bagendete kurigireria igoro yobosimeki bwemete ase ense ya Kenya yungati yali agendete korekana ime na isko ya Gusii kulene ngwera nande ningo manyina nande agendete koba ime yemeseito ye Chinsa Isano Ibere Eliane Brighton Makori Abo litko ligoro hebi karobiri biagendete kotegera repetition ya begetwe ase kamati ye bunge ye county ya Kisii ye korawa no myakero naftali ngoba oyoro mwe musibwe wodi ya nyachekinigo ya sugetugego senigo kiko chikogendera litukure Jumatatu ase assembly yo litukure goro nigo batware dege kale kyekero bangusananete gose batwate chingwane jo gati yabasoyali na bali bagendete kotegerera kine kyase county yo kurende omo nogeli gose omo wakiro yomo wejibe respondent abo litukure goro anyardeka okwanera anene karate yabuna eretaro chiburito bonde obwatenete petition yo yanyardege koretwa as a assembly.
There's nothing here. So far, there's no evidence that I was subjected to show that these commissioners did anything for their own personal gain. All they were doing was the good of the county of Kisii. You had all the requests made by the departments, the relevant departments of government requesting for certain decisions to be made. They could not decline those requests because their duty is to answer to those requests. Because the requests are meant to serve the people. Like now the employment of ECD teachers. We should commend them for employing more. We cannot chastise them for employing more, yet our people need more teachers. So if there's somebody who does not want more teachers to be employed, that person cannot say he is advancing the cause of the people of Kisii.
Ekero abarimi aokurwa sense ito ya Kenya nene bagendete komoja nene ngakyo boyo bolibye serikali bagendete kwenanwa nigobono mu wasiri bo barimi mitikari nturi nyarire iga komoja bali bagendete waka siasa yo bolimo igoro yo kwenana ko boyo bukorengana nere karaya kwanita ya karegeta sense meri ya Meru ase chiabisyo kwana oboya sense meyo nigo mitikate biruna abanda bange nigo bagendete wako bolimo igoro yo boyo bu.
You know, we have very many business bodies in town who have nothing much to do. Just like the president has said, is running an accountable government. And anybody who wants to interrogate the process should raise a question to Kenya, to the Ministry of Trade or to the Ministry of Agriculture. I won't be able to appropriately answer because anybody that imagines there were fun and deals here and there shouldn't be able to tell us how the price of fertilizer was reduced from 7,000 to 35. That should tell you where deals, maybe the one deals were in the former administration and not now. So the president is committed, he has sent, he has done, and he has instructed us that we must get the fertilizer to below 3,000 under whatever means. We must get the seeds at very low prices, at whatever means. So anybody other than what is, you know, a creation of those business boundaries I'm talking about, we are open to scrutiny. So, and to me, I don't think it's a problem.
ase chinga kije jomitikari ntule ibo igoro mu wasiri bwa mangana y'uburemi asinzito ya Kenya nigatethene serikali ya Kenya kwanza ni wetere wisara y'uburemi nigendete kubike mirubiri kwene kwena baremi nkonyora bare obwo ase chinga ki chigwenderete korengana nigatebuna anene asobosombi kurwa sensemendo je yende nero yerere abaremi gotanyora obwo ase chinga chigwenderete konene nigo babekire mirubiri ya bene igochikwene kwena baremi abu nkonyora bare obwo ase chinga ki chigwenderete.
Hata kama kuna ulegevu, si wapande yenu, ni wapande sisi kama serikali na maofisa wale wanapaswa kuwahudumia. Sio nawaambia mtusamee, mimi nitaongea na timu yangu au maofisa wangu wote, tuone ni vipi tutaweza kuhakikisha tunaharakisha mpangilio wa nyinyi kupata fertilizer zenu, muweze kufika kwa mashamba na muendelee na kazi. Every NSPB depot ile nimeenda kufikisha fertilizer ni rahisi, sababu inaletwa na reli, inasimama hapo, inatolewa. Reli inakimbia zaidi ya basi, inakimbia zaidi ya lori. So sisi hapa tunategemea usafirishaji wa fertilizer yetu na nini? Na lori. Lori ile kubwa inabeba ngunia 600. Ile wagon ya reli, sababu reli zingine inabeba hata 30, inabeba ngunia 20,000, 30,000. Kwa hivyo ndio shinda tulio nao, sababu hata wakati niposikia kuna hiyo tabu ya fertilizer, mbegu ilipoletwa hapa, fertilizer imeletwa hapa, imechukuliwa ikaenda. So I think I am going to discuss and give directives that kama ni lori ine inakuja hapa ama ndio wamepewa contract ya kuleta fertilizer, siongezewe sifike 10 ili kuwe na fertilizer inafika hapa kwa haraka iwezekanavyo ama mingi, ili nyinyi msiweze kukaa sana mkingojea.
Kubatekana na maruali atanjeire korekana kubuja sense yeito ya Kenya nigobono Inspector of Police Chabet Kome alireira buna erena abanyanyimbo ni wochikwene kibuna nkokora bare binyugwa biribitanjeire sense ya Kenya kaukwana buri tkuregorase county eri ya Nyeri anene karababo atomusanga no monene oreganetiwe no mukonyi bumurai bwense katikashawa nigobono Kome anyareka oteabuna nigobaraji kwene kibuna amarua yungo sirare asichinsemo aho imeyense ya Kenya.
Hali tumefika, enough is enough. Ulevi kusema ukweli umezidi. We are not careful, we are going to lose our generation. We are not careful, tutakuwa na naibu raisi ambaye ni mulevi. We are not careful, tutakuwa na inspector generali anakuja hapa ni mulevi. Tutakuwa na CS wakati unakuja ambaye ni mulevi. Enough is enough. Kwa hivyo wakati wanashika kule na kuachilia, hiyo ni shida yao. Na kila mtu atabeba msalaba wake. I'm not threatening anybody. Because we must, mimi CS wangu waja niuliza kitu. Hako hapa. Hakuna siku ameuliza kitu. His Excellency amenipatia uhuru wa kufanya kazi.
Iri goikirania yonsi buna Chabet Koma tebete nigatethebune serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigo yabekire mutwe amagani y'abanyanyimbo ayuna barabatakire baiki bachikoikirania bokorero buya serikali eyo eri gukora anene ebintu biri ebisali usobosali sense yitu ya Kenya kaukwana buri tukorero boigo asenseme ya Nyeri nigatogetie serikali ya Kenya kwanza anene kero eteri baga abanyanyimbo kokore mirimo yabo boiga saburire abanyanyimbo buna bakore na barabu emirimo yabo eri ko mukiriri ebirengo byoborendi sense ya Kenya.
Maofisa wenzangu, mimi nitasema mbele ya umati, mko na serikali ambayo inawasikiza. Mlikuwa mmenyang'anywa kwa mambo ya licensing ya bunduki, civilian firearm licensing. His Excellency amewarudishia. Yule sawa na license ni ofisa mwenzenu. Jana tu Coast Guard ilikuwa na commanded na retired military officers. Jana tu His Excellency appoint a police officer asimamie awe Director General wa Coast Guard. Juzi tu bilioni 20 zimetolewa, mnapata vifaa, bunduki nzuri, ndege za kupigana na wakora wa North Rift. What am I saying? There is a lot of goodwill from the government. Mshahara unatengenezwa. Na mimi najua wakati His Excellency anafunga hiki kikao, mimi najua haya tataja tu. Mambo haya tataja, very soon mfuko utakuwa mzuri and you'll be running to the bank kwenda kuweka kitu. So serikali inaangalia maslahi ya maofisa. Ours, we are very responsible.
Omugavana wa county ya Machakos wa Vinyandeti ni gateruna ni halada kubiki mirubiri ya bena se county yo ya yeri kwena kwene birengo bya maganda ngo mugirabiri asense yo anekera teruna nirebu ya serikali jiji county kubotera ne serikali nene erigo kini birengo bya maganda ni ya kwanda litukuli gora se county ya nene ekarumurai bwense anyarde kagutarira ensemeyo.
Sisi kama county government ya Machakos tumejaribu sana. Tukiongea sasa hivi already nimechimba 16 dams. Boreholes nime-rehabilitate karibu 10. Tuko na zingine 47 zinataka kutengenezwa. Ukitusaidia sisi kama county pia tunajikakamua.
Ekeroto gosuka bosio nigo boigo omwasiri bwa mangana yejinje cheziko Alfred Mutua oibego nero renkabu asiri tukurera karumura ibwensa korete taro jase county ya Machakos anyarede ka komotebi mura ibwense atigo tegerera mangana yazimyuro moja wa Kenya anekero ya rekanebuna obomobo bokora wana Raila Odinga matakarwa karonso musyoka nigo nande boroberedie ojikoirana koiranira okorobekana hasense yeto ya Kenya kolengana Mutua ni gateruna Raila obeire kagokwana igoro yokorobekana kurwasi serikali chietire.
Hawa ndugu zetu ambao wamekuwa wakingangana huko na maandamano, nataka kuwakumbusha historia ya kwamba walisema huko Moi must go, Moi must go. Moi akamaliza sheria, akafanya kazi yake, akamaliza, akaenda nyumbani kupumzika. Wakakuja wakasema Kibaki must go, Kibaki must go. Kibaki akatawala, akamaliza, akastaafu. Wakasema Uhuru and Ruto must go, Uhuru must go. Uhuru akamaliza miaka 10, akaenda nyumbani. Sasa wanasema William Ruto must go. Wacha niwaambie, William Ruto atamaliza kazi yake, miaka yake yote, alafu Mungu atachagua kiongozi mwingine anayetaka endelee na Kenya. Wajue ya kwamba Mungu ndio anachagua viongozi, sio siasa ya kuharibu nchi yetu ya Kenya. Kwa hivyo rais, nataka kuambia mimi kama former governor, wewe fanya kazi yako. Hawa watu wa Mavoko ni watu wa maendeleo.
Ababwatani be kanisa ya Orthodox nigo bono banyarire bakobori omobwasi myuro moja wa Kenya abono kurobekana tari korukorabe eliogo asenze itu ya Kenya kolende baisugukwana osbeso twara chingwana na Kenya kwanza ose serikali nigera be eliogo ligiya ekiagiro kurobekana nigo kwabeire kogosalia na uturubania ensi ya Kenya anekere bantu bakugenda bara na gokora okurobekana.
Sisi kama kanisa la Orthodox tunaunga mkono serikali ya sasa na kwamba tunamtambua rais His Excellency Honorable Dr. William Ruto kama rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, na kwamba siku zilizopita tumekuwa na maandamano kwa upande wa opposition wakiongea kuhusu mambo ambayo wanahitaji ifanyike, na ni kweli ni sawa, lakini jambo ambalo ni la muhimu sana ni kwamba tuweze kujua kwamba taifa letu la Kenya ni taifa letu sisi zote, na kwamba tunastahili sana kuona kwamba kuna amani, kuna
serikali ni gobono ya bekire meroberi bene asogo kini sekta ya energy anenekero ya jakire meroberi aoime yense buna umowasile David Jirjiri ago kwana.
Be aware that the country has undertaken to go to net zero on emission of the various gases from generation using diesel by 2030. So some of the projects, like what has been asked by your colleague, in pushing more renewable to the grid, we will accelerate that, and by 2030 we'll see a progression of the retirement of the heavy fuel oil, which is what is causing significant cost to our bills or to the cost of energy. But more importantly, you do know that
Asejinga kejejo David niga kwanire merobirira serikali begete anene asokulireri ogochenji kwelire anene chigasi gose emarioki ali akurwa sobo tumekiwe bintu ao asinsi to ya Kenya keraderuna niga babegete merobiriyo kwene kinga kyogochenji kwelire kwaretire merobiri mebe asense ya Kenya ekerobata na egente gisikonchirwa ekere serikali endete kubeke merobiriyo ao.
certainly before the end of this year, we want to officially commission the substation. The substation will also have a tee off to Dongokundo, which is our economic zone, to facilitate acceleration of development of the special economic zone, which is basically our hubs, our development, our manufacturing hubs, which will also facilitate employment of our young people and basically push us up the GDP to manufacturing to GDP, maybe from the current percentage of 7 to 9 to what you have seen my colleague Moses Kuria talk to, wanting to move to 15%.
Ayubano nararenge aye Chinsa Isano Ibere kondenyo nage koraga Chinsa ikumuri nyara mana mange bnandete wateka ime na isko ya Gusii kana gota ibno muraibu ense Dr. William Ruto ni garase county eli ya Narok ekero mokonyo yari gatiga shawara sensemeri ya Nyandarua igona manganda korakana ime na isko ya Gusii ni onko basabera mwensi na gendera koba ime ya Ndizi TV na Rwanda Gusii nyasaye karanganjire na yagwanjire tumirani tukire chumatata somoroberio bwensaki konende aseka kirebosyo nigo gikomera na bamukongwe asomoroberi orumba tosuka igesokoro y'abantu bonse no ere ime studio ngosoare elinda kora orumba abigari nyanchama nero ene kibona mari ogine chibichago jira senjera bene iriane Brighton Makori.